Oh hello Macy. Tonight I'm preparing your favorite dish my darling.
Hurrah! Is it Mark's famous Yorkshire pudding recipe?
No.
Oh. Is it Mark's world-renowned 24-hour slow-roasted shoulder of pork with Chinese spices and oodles of honey?
No.
Well, what the fuck is it then?
Marinated sugar snap peas in a bath of spring water, a pound of brown sugar, balsamic vinegar and molasses, on a bed of wilted lettuce with jam, marshmallows and fondant potatoes.
Sod that for a game of coconuts, sunshine. When is the next flight back to Norfolk?
Oh, bugger. Damn the man and his fancy cuisine.
Maybe he could give you some lessons?